Now that the Minerva faces have been painted, I can start putting everything together. So I do have all the new hardware and all the new inner and outer barrels. So I'm just gonna start slapping everything together.
What is that?
These are my lips and barrels.
Oh. Can I open it?
Oh, it's super hard to cut. Double check if it has the size on it. For the fronts, I decided to go with the 4.5-inch inner barrel, and it was more so just because I didn't want to go past 12 inches wide, especially in the front. So that's kind of the main reason I chose this side. And then for the lips, I chose a 6.5. I thought I ordered a 6, but I guess I did 6.5, and it's not that big of a difference. I believe I was running a 1-inch spacer in the front of the car, so it should only stick out about a 1/2 inch more than it is now. But I do have some GK Tech stuff that I'm gonna install, so hopefully it shouldn't be that much of a difference, or hopefully it's nicer than it was because I can add just a little bit more camber, because I wasn't really happy with how my fitment was before. So hopefully I can get it dialed to exactly how I want it.
Actually, the darkest part is actually putting the wheel back together, yeah?
Yeah.
Of like actually like bolting it down is like the darkest part for me.
Yeah, because it's
like taking it apart is not bad.
Yeah.
Taking it apart is not bad, but putting it all back together sucks.
Is what sucks. At least taking it apart, or Bailey took it all apart. I just had to put it back together.
Yeah, but that sucks.
Yeah. There's so much bolts. What?
I got your turn.
Oh, yeah. Look at how good these look. These are both of the fronts. They're both done. All I need to do is add some silicone, but before I do that, I'm gonna start on the rear ones. I did put this wheel together last night in the barn, so that's what the rear is gonna look like. I'll show it to you all together because it looks really nice. I'm super excited because when I first got Minerva's, I kind of wanted it to be these specs, but we didn't, and it's been a long time, and I'm kind of excited that I really get my dream specs on top of these wheels. And also I don't have to run any spacers anymore. So I just remembered I did have a 1-inch spacer on the back and a 1.5-inch spacer in the front. So these front wheels should fit exactly, or in theory, or in my head it should fit exactly how it used to, just with bigger lips. So hopefully that's how it does, or it works out like that. This is the last wheel that I have to put back together. Hopefully it's really fast because I do want to test fit everything on the car before the sun goes down. I just finished up the last rear, and I did seal one of the fronts and one of the rears already, so that way I can just test fit the last two before the sun goes down. We only have a little bit of sunlight left, so I'm gonna start trying everything on. Okay, let's try one of the rears on first. Oh, what the heck? I'm so stupid. Oh man, I thought I sealed up one rear and one front, but I guess I sealed up both fronts. I kind of don't want to touch them right now because they're still wet. Oh man, I guess I'm just gonna try one of the rear ones on. That's good enough. Okay, let's see. Oh. Wait, what the hell? Oh my gosh. I was wondering why it sticks out so much. Look at this. I thought I just got my calculations wrong, but I forgot that I still have the spacer on, so I'm gonna try to take it off. Hopefully that fixes it. Okay, second time, let's see. Ooh, it just tucks. Oh, I love it. One of the things that I wanted to do with this car is to ride it a little bit lower, but in order to do that I need it to be tucking a little bit, and it just tucks. It like barely fits my finger in between it, so I think this should be perfect. Let's go show Blaine. Are you ready? Don't wait, close your eyes. Okay, come here.
You're not even guiding me.
Oh, just forward. Okay, ready? Look at it.
Oh, it's perfect.
Whoa, it's perfect, huh?
Yeah.
I really like that it tucks just a little bit, because if anything, all I need is like a little slip-on spacer.
Yeah, it's perfect because you can take the camber out of the rear, or I don't know if you want to.
Take the camber out?
Or no, it'll tuck nicely, but you know, in case you want more traction, you can take the camber out.
Oh, yeah. We'll see. I don't know if I want to take any camber out.
Yeah, it's good.
You think it's gonna be perfect?
I think so.
I think it's gonna be good. Oh, there's probably a little bit of air in the bag.
That's fine. That's perfect anyway. That's all you want it to be.
It looks super good.
That's perfect.
It's perfect. This is kind of the fitment that I wanted, so I think it's gonna look really good once we put the tires on. We do have tires coming in a couple of days, so hopefully when everything is dried up, we can throw the wheels on and have the tires on and everything. I haven't seen my car like this in so long. I love it. So now all I have to do is seal up the back wheels and then wait for it to dry a couple of days, and then we can slap everything together. I'm super excited with how it looks. I really think that the dimensions that I chose are gonna look really good once you put the tires on. So let's go and finish up the sealing. The sealing? Now everything has been sealed up. I'm just gonna wait for everything to dry and then we can start throwing the tires on. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.